afternoon, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela if you're new here, and today I am going to be making snow cones from the Kaki Gori Treats in the Japan Pavilion. I am very excited to try this because today it is such a beautiful day outside, so sunny and so hot, and why not complement it with a nice snow cone. My favorite flavor is strawberry, which here I recommend the Monin, which I purchased in Amazon, and then we have our strawberry. What? And we have here our ice. My goodness. So, in the Kaki Gori Treats, they are well known for their huge snow cones, from strawberry to melon to tangerine, so many flavors, which are so amazing. So if you're heading to Epcot, I would recommend to make a stop at that kiosk and purchase one for yourself, and you're not going to regret it. So make sure to comment down below if you were able to try this in the Japan Pavilion, and just let me know if you loved it. So please make sure to hit that thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe for more. Enjoy! Alright, so here's our second little ball. Let's see how it's gonna come out. Okay. Yay! Yay! Awesome! Look at that! Okay, let's add the syrup. Okay. I just hope it doesn't make a mess. Yes, it did. Great, Gabby, you're so smart. I'm just gonna go down. Okay. I love it. Okay, I better try this because we're in Miami and this is going to... Okay, so cheers. Man! So refreshing. At first it gave me a little trouble trying to break the ice, but it's just because I added so many, I guess I added it to here. It didn't give a lot of space to go ahead and blend. Hello, the blend is not made for that. But I guess we were able to get this a success. I am so happy. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna sit down outside. I'm making myself a grilled cheese, and I'm gonna enjoy this as a dessert. Well guys, this was a total success. As you can see, these are amazing. My goodness, such easy to make, such a nice treat to make at home for kids. Man, this is good. Well, see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.